Hey guys, my name is Jen and I'm going to show you how to do a bridge. The bridge puts a lot of pressure on your wrists, shoulders, and back, so make sure to stretch first. You're going to start by lying on your back with arms at your sides and your knees bent. Next, bring your arms up straight over your shoulders. Now bend your elbows and wrists backwards until your hands are down on the ground beside your ears. Now walk your feet in a little more until they're as close to your butt as possible. You're ready to push up into a bridge. This is the hardest part, and you need to do all the steps very quickly to make it work. But don't worry, I'll break it down for you. You're going to start by driving your pelvis up while squeezing your glutes, almost like if you were doing a glute bridge. You can also bring your knees forward a little bit. For your arms, you're going to push up hard and straighten them until you get to the top. Next, I want you to think about your stomach being pulled upwards, tightening your abs and arching your back. And lastly is your head position. As soon as possible, while you're pushing up, you need to start leaning your head back and looking behind you. This will enable you to keep arching further. Now put it all together and push up hard and fast into a bridge. Great! When you get a little more flexible, you can even start to walk your hands in closer to your feet. Now to come down, slowly do everything I mentioned in the reverse order. Head comes forward, arms start to bend, chest and stomach come down, butt comes down last, and bring your arms back by your side. Yay! Let me know if you're able to do a bridge.